In today's video, I'm going to show you how to show the histogram in Lightroom Desktop, the cloud version, in a quick and simple way. If you've ever opened Lightroom and wondered where the histogram went, don't worry, it's usually already there, just hidden depending on the view you're in. This is a very common issue, especially for new users, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find it and how to make it appear. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Lightroom tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open Lightroom Desktop and choose a photo you want to edit. The histogram does not appear in every view, so the first thing you need to do is make sure you're actually inside a single photo editing screen. If you're in grid view or browsing your library, you will not see it. Once your photo is open, look over to the right side of the screen. You should see the Edit panel, which is the sliders icon. Click that Edit panel if it isn't already open. Now look at the top right area of that panel. The histogram should appear automatically above the editing sliders. That's where it lives in Lightroom Desktop Cloud version. You do not need to turn it on as a separate tool because it is built into the editing workspace. If you still don't see it, the most likely reason is that you are not in edit mode. Press E on your keyboard to open the single photo view. That shortcut is a quick way to move out of grid view and into the editing interface. Once you do that, check the right panel again. If the panel itself is collapsed, expand it so the histogram and sliders can be visible. Sometimes the panel width is too small, and that makes it look like the histogram disappeared when it really hasn't. So remember, if the histogram is missing, first, confirm you are editing one photo, not looking at your library grid. Second, press E to switch into the correct view. Third, make sure the right panel is fully expanded. And one important note here, the histogram is not a separate switch you toggle on and off. A lot of people assume there is a menu button somewhere for it, but in Lightroom Desktop Cloud version, it only shows while you're actively editing a photo. It will not show in library view or grid view, so if you can't find it there, that is completely normal. Once you know where to look, it becomes very easy to use. The histogram is a helpful tool because it gives you a visual way to check exposure and tonal balance while you edit. So if you're adjusting brightness, contrast, highlights, or shadows, keep an eye on that top right panel while you work. To recap quickly, open a photo, go to the Edit panel on the right, and look at the top right corner above the sliders. If it's missing, switch to Edit mode with E and expand the right panel. That's it. That's how to show the histogram in Lightroom Desktop Cloud version. If this helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next Lightroom tutorial for more easy editing tips.